In this Canva tutorial, we gonna create similar design like this. Let's get started by adding a new page. Change color background to black and add and write a text. You can select any font you like. I am selecting Nikonly for this design. Increase the size of the text and bring it in center. Now select the text and go to the effects and select outline. Increase the thickness and change the color of outline to white. Now we have the shape of the text mama. Increase the size of the shape and go to the elements section. Select any group of dots that you like. Change the dots color to black. Now arrange the dots accordingly. Select the text mama, copy it and paste it. Bring it to center and change the color of text to black this time. Now go to the effects and select outline. Increase the thickness and change its color to black. Now go to the text color and select white. You can change the inside color to any color that you want for this design. Now increase the size of text and align according to the shape. In case you need another background for this like the reference one, what we can do is copy the design and paste it to another page. For this background, we need to arrange the group of dots according to the shape manually, like this.